Let's take a look at finding the square root of x multiplying the cube root of x this way. First stage is we can rewrite this as the square root of x multiplying x raised to the 1/3. Remember, there's an implied 1 in this position here. So that goes up here, and then you have the 3 on the bottom. Now we will do the square root of x to the 3/3 times x to the 1/3. So we're doing that because here there's a 1, so that converts into 3 over 3, which is also 1. We can do then the following. The square root of x raised to the 3 plus 1 over 3. Because here we have the same bottoms, 3 and 3, then we can just add the 3 and the 1 to make 3 plus 1 in the numerator of the fraction there. So that's going to give us then the square root of x raised to the 4/3. We're not done yet. Remember, there's an implied index of 2 here, so this converts into the following then. Not even a square root now, but just to the 4/3 raised to the 1/2. We're converting the root into its exponential form of 1/2. We want to do that because now we can multiply. So we're going to have x raised to the 4 times 1, which is 4, and then 3 times 2, which is what? 6 in this position. We can reduce this fraction, so x is then raised to, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. This is a form of the answer. We can also convert this into root form as the cube root of x quantity right there squared. If you like these types of videos, please be sure to drop a huge like. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Stay positive no matter what happens. Time goes by quickly and heals a lot of stuff.